Hello and welcome. My name is Lisa and today's video is for network marketers. So if you're a network marketer and you want to learn how to effectively promote your products and services and yourself, then this video is for you. So purpose of this video is to let you know that Rankmakers is open. They don't always open for new network marketers, but they are open now. So I'm doing this video to invite you to Rankmakers. And what Rankmakers will do is to help you effectively promote your product without spamming your link and bothering your friends and family to join your business. That is the reason that most people don't like network marketing, because they feel like it's a scam, and they feel like, people try to coerce you into buying things or to joining things that they really don't want to join. So you really need, if you're a network marketer and you're not doing you're not seeing the results that you would like to see, then you really need the training to be able to effectively promote your products and services. So Rankmakers is a platform for network marketers to go to get training, because the issue is network marketing companies that choose to use network marketing to market their products, they allow most of the time anybody to come in. So a lot of times those people don't have training, and then they try to get people to purchase without any sales training, without any marketing training, and then they just give network marketing a really bad name. So the problem is not network marketing, it is network marketers. So Rankmakers is a place that I've gone to learn effective marketing, and it has helped me tremendously. It's because I'm in Rankmakers that I'm comfortable on camera. A lot of people are not. So go to rankmakers.com and join, watch the videos, and if you feel like it will help you, then join. And I can tell you that it's helped me. I'm in a network marketing company, and I am starting to see results that I didn't see before joining Rankmakers. So it is in your best interest to join Rankmakers at rankmakers.com. This is Lisa, and I'll see you again. Subscribe.